Hello, and welcome to the Stonewood Funding podcast, where we bring clarity and confidence to personal injury plaintiffs navigating one of the most financially difficult times of their lives. I'm your host, and I want to thank you for joining us. Today, we're exploring a subject that affects thousands of Californians every year: what to do when your lawsuit is strong, but your wallet is empty. Whether you're recovering from a car accident, a slip and fall, or medical malpractice, personal injury cases can take months, sometimes even years, to resolve. Meanwhile, bills don't stop, rent is still due, childcare doesn't wait, and that's why in this episode, we're going to talk about pre-settlement funding in California, what it is, how it works, and how it's helping people just like you stay afloat while their case works its way through the courts. And to bring this to life, we're going to start with a real story. Elena's story. The realities of waiting. Elena is a 35-year-old Uber driver from San Francisco. One afternoon, while driving a passenger, her car was rear-ended at a red light. She suffered a serious shoulder injury, one that left her unable to drive, unable to work, and struggling to care for her young son. Her case against the at-fault driver was strong. There was clear liability, solid medical documentation, and her attorney was confident in the outcome. But as weeks turned into months and then into a year, the insurance company delayed, the courts were backed up, and settlement talks stalled. All the while, Elena was falling behind on rent, struggling to afford childcare, and losing hope. That's when her attorney referred her to us at Stonewood Funding. Within 48 hours of applying, Elena received a $5,500 non-recourse cash advance based on her expected settlement. That advance helped her cover immediate expenses, got her son back into daycare, and breathe again. All while giving her attorney the time needed to negotiate a better settlement. This is what pre-settlement funding is all about. What is pre-settlement funding? Now, let's break this down. Pre-settlement funding, sometimes referred to as cash advance on a lawsuit, is not a loan. And I will say that again, it is not a loan. At Stonewood Funding, what we offer is a non-recourse funding. That means we are not giving you money that you're required to pay back from your own pocket. Instead, we're purchasing a small portion of your potential future settlement. If your case wins or settles successfully, the advance is repaid out of that settlement. But if your case doesn't succeed, you owe us nothing. That's what non-recourse means. There are no monthly payments, no credit checks, no income requirements, and if your case fails, the money is yours to keep. It's a simple, risk-free way to stay financially secure while your attorney fights for the compensation you deserve. Why California plaintiffs are especially at risk. Now, if you're in California, there's even more reason to consider funding. Here, in California, personal injury lawsuits are often delayed due to a combination of insurance company tactics, court backlogs, and the time it takes to gather medical records or evidence. On average, a personal injury case in California can take 12 to 24 months to resolve. And during that time, you may not be able to work. Your bills pile up, your stress increases, and the insurance company is counting on all of that to pressure you to accept a low settlement. Pre-settlement funding levels the playing field. It gives you the breathing room to say no to lowball offers and yes to a full, fair resolution. What types of cases qualify? So what kinds of personal injury cases qualify for pre-settlement funding? At Stonewood Funding, we work with a wide range of personal injury claims across California, including rideshare drivers like Elena, slip and fall accidents, pedestrian accidents, medical malpractice cases, product liability claims, and more. Every case is different, so if you're unsure whether your case qualifies, reach out to us or have your attorney give us a call. We'll evaluate your situation at no cost to you. How the process works. Let's talk about the process because it's fast and simple. Here's how it works. Step 1, you apply. Go to stonewoodfunding.com or give us a call, 844-544-3863. Step 2, we review. We'll contact your attorney to evaluate your case and determine the potential settlement value. Step 3, you get funding. If approved, we send the funds, usually within 24 to 48 hours. It really is that straightforward. There's no credit checks, no income documentation, and no upfront fees. Real people, real relief. Elena's story is just one example. Here's a couple more. David, a retail worker in Los Angeles, slipped in a store and broke his leg. He received a $4,000 advance from Stonewood Funding that helped him pay rent and focus on healing, not eviction notices. Anna, a pedestrian hit by a car in San Diego, used her $6,000 advance to pay for therapy and cover household expenses, while her attorney fought for the settlement she deserved. These are real people, and they found peace of mind through pre-settlement funding. What about the cost? Let's be honest, cost matters. Some companies in this industry charge sky-high rates or sneak in hidden fees. That's not how we operate at Stonewood Funding. We offer competitive terms, transparent agreements, and we work directly with your attorney to make sure everything is clear before you sign. No surprises, no hidden costs, just straightforward help when you need it. Tips for plaintiffs waiting on their case. While you're waiting on your case to resolve, here are a few practical tips to stay grounded. Track your expenses carefully so you know how much funding you truly need. Stay in touch with your attorney. Ask questions, stay involved, and understand where your case stands. Negotiate bills with service providers. Many are willing to work with you on payment plans. Find support. Emotional stress is real, and you're not alone. Support groups for accident victims can make a huge difference. Funding can provide stability, but your mindset and strategy matter too. Your questions answered. Let's close out with a few questions we get all the time. Question: is pre-settlement funding a loan? No, it's a non-recourse cash advance. You only repay if your case wins. Question: how fast can I get funds? Once we get the needed information from your attorney, we can fund most cases in 24 to 48 hours. Question: do I need good credit? No, we don't check your credit and we don't require proof of income. And final question: what if I need more money later? You can apply for additional funding if your case qualifies. We'll reassess with your attorney and let you know. If you're dealing with a personal injury case in California, don't let delays derail your recovery. Pre-settlement funding from Stonewood Funding gives you the financial breathing room to focus on healing, not stressing over bills. And remember, if your case doesn't succeed, you owe us nothing. Take the first step. Apply online at stonewoodfunding.com or call us 844-544-3863 to speak with one of our friendly funding specialists. You've already been through enough. Let us help you bridge the gap. Thanks for listening to Stonewood Funding Podcast. Be sure to subscribe for more insights, real stories, and resources to help you through your personal injury journey. Until next time, stay strong, stay informed, and know that help is just a phone call away.